Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. Please check out this beautiful haircut that is so adorable. This is a style that really makes charm and ease. It's a style you can see. Take a look at this beautiful selection of short natural haircut. There are lots of options to suit any woman's style and hair texture. The styles are really overwhelming because they are that kind of haircut ideas for women that really want a total transformation. It gives your hair that full and edgy vibe. Check out this beautiful hair turning ideas that will bring texture to any kind of hair, and you can see how refreshed you will come out looking. So the right short haircut can really transform your face shape, whether your face is round or is oval. Just explore styles, that really work in your favor and take your look, to that new level. Because here in Wendy Styles, we are here to bring short natural hairstyles that can totally transform your look, giving it that fun and edgy vibe. So let me allow you guys to watch the rest of the styles we have. Check out other of my videos that will help you in selections of some beautiful short haircuts. You can have cuts like the Pixies, we have cuts like the Tapered, the Winnie Afro, the boys cut, the finger weave. So many style options we have to suit any of your style and your hair texture. Your first time here in Wendy Styles, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video, and let us know your minds in the comment section below. God bless you guys and see you in my next upload.